Good morning guys, it's Teach Work to Ride session today. Let's begin. Second pit stop of the day, Macdonalds Rideout, to meet some of my friends before we head out to our main destination. Let's have some breakfast. Hey!
Big breakfast.
Big breakfast for big ride.
Habis lah ni. Habis lah.
Big breakfast done for a big ride today. So what are we waiting for?
Is it big?
The big dump.
We had a big breakfast and it's time for a good ride. Off to our next destination, Changi, in 1 hour. Such supportive friends I have. And yes, here we are. Where are we now actually? We are at Eunos. No, this is not Eunos. Just trying to trick me. What? The floating platform. Probably the last that we'll see it floating. Being one of the first to be at Changi here doesn't mean I'm any good or any better than any of them, but simply because there's cold drinks here rather than at the bus stop. Changi Village to have our lunch maybe. For me, I'll just have chendol, and today's all steel affair.
Terus ambil gambar ni. Hello.
And we're on our way to Pulau Ubin on a ferry, and look at Aidil enjoying himself.
Terus, bukit.
Saya dah ke slow mo. Hey, bukit lah.
Dah confused dah.
Dah tak betul.
Selalu 4G je.
After the grueling climb, we are greeted with a quarry area here, which is very nice looking.
Itu bas dah sampai lah Wadi.
Huh? Eh, jom ah. So we finally reached the campsite of nearby the Butterfly Hill, which is overlooking the coast of Singapore. Nice place, but unfortunately no camping is allowed around here, and the guys are having their lunch. We're gonna take a rest before we head on with our journey. And I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with this Ragley Trig Adventure, which I got from Willow's Cafe at Amokyo. Check them out. Yes, the bike is truly nimble off-road, and I'm glad that I got this bike of size S instead of M. Yeah, let's see how well it rides in the future.
Ada tinggi lah. Tak tahu ada yang camo ke. Tak ada, ada camo.
Korang tipu aku lah. Kata relax-relax. Kau berlumpur sangat. Macam mana nak cuci ni macam? Mana?
Let's go.